Hello everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make a beautiful bracelet. Fold this craft paper like this and make more such pieces. After that we are going to tuck all of them like this, one after another, and then roll it, and look, your bracelet is ready. Let's make this colorful puppet origami craft. First take a square craft paper and fold it like this. Fold it into half and again fold it like we are doing here. After that we are going to flip it and again fold it from other side as well. Now we are going to fold it like this. Flip it again and do the same from this side as well. Now we are going to gently open it and look, you will get a square shape like this and paste it from its sides. After that we are going to make colorful such shapes and then paste all of them together like this, and look, it is ready. Place all of them like this and look, it is done. Look at these colorful foldable containers. Let's make it. We are folding a pink craft paper and put it inside like this. Now flip it and again fold it from other side like this as well. Now you just have to open it and look, it will become a container like this. We are going to make this 3D triangular shape using this strip of paper. We are folding a pink craft paper here and make a triangular shape like this. Fold it like we are doing here, and look, it is almost ready now. After that we are going to open it like this and you will get a crease like this. Then you just have to again roll it like this, and look, it is almost ready now. Tuck it inside like this and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.